Ice cream sandwich, anyone? I'm using white chocolate and sweetened condensed milk to make ice cream, but not how you think. You don't need a machine or a degree in science. Anyone can do this, and it comes together in minutes. I bet you have one of these in that cupboard that you never open. Go get it. Whipping cream. Ah, vanilla. Even more love with this luscious white chocolate. Take your time. You can't rush love. Ooh. Oh. And when this comes out of the freezer, ice cream! I'm gonna cream together the butter and sugars until it's light and fluffy. I think it's time to dance. What do you think? Fresh ginger. Always worth the trouble. Just a little bit of this for the color. Kind of matches my outfit right now. A little rosewater. This brings tears to my eyes and joy in my heart. Reminds me of my grandmother in Morocco. Did you know that cardamom is a natural breath freshener? Flour, cocoa powder for a little bit more chocolatey flavor, salt, and baking soda for a little lift. Dough! We've got cookie dough! Yes! I mean, it's not that hard, I told you. The beauty about this dessert is that you can make it in advance, you can make extra, and a little bit of ice cream on the cookie. Voila! Dessert is served.
I think I knew right from the start, nothing would ever be the same. When you smiled and took my hand, it was just something you said. It was just something you said.